Do you have boxes of family history stuff you've inherited from a relative? You know, family documents, photos, and other memorabilia. It feels like a mountain of information and things, and you just don't know what to do. And it keeps growing in your mind until it feels like you're trying to climb Mount Everest. Well, keep watching. In this episode, we'll give you tools and tips to bring it back down to size. Greetings, normal humans. This is Brad, and he's a normal human like you. Recently, his grandmother passed away, and she left him a box full of genealogical information, documents, and heirlooms, and let me tell you, organizing all that stuff feels pretty overwhelming, and he's not sure what to do. It's really cool stuff, but how should he organize it? And then how can he share it with the rest of the family? Where does he even start? Do you organize by date, by name, by how much hair a person had in the photos? Never fear, a genealogy superhero is here to help. First things first, enjoy the discovery. Don't think about it as a chore. Instead, think about it as a treasure you've been given and you're discovering what's in the treasure box. Be curious. What stories and mysteries will you uncover? Channel your inner Sherlock Holmes. This is your family. Because of them, you are who you are. Next, organize the info into piles by each couple or marriage. Before they got together, their information should be with their parents. For example, a person's birth information would be in the pile with their parents, but that person's marriage information or birth of their first child would start a new pile for them. You may want to label each pile with a card on top of the pile with the names of the couple and maybe the year that they got married. Next, take each pile and organize it chronologically. You know, by year and by date. Be careful. Watch your dates. It may be helpful at this point to put your piles into folders or to digitize the information and put it into digital folders. Tip 4. Evaluate the information. This tip is so important, I'll be creating an entire video on evaluating the information. But for now, look at the information you have for each family. Does it make sense? Does it all seem to fit together in a logical progression? For example, are the locations given in the information consistent, or is there a totally different location? Does the progression of dates make sense? If something seems out of place, pull it out of chronological order, put it on top, maybe put a note on it, and consider it later. Now you're ready to organize it into a family tree. You can write it out on paper or put it on a family tree website or app. I recommend using Family Search to get started because it is a nonprofit which has been around for almost 130 years and it's free forever to everyone. They are well funded and are all about helping people discover their family story and then preserve and share that story. They preserve the information in archival ways so it will be safe forever. I'll be doing a whole series of videos on how to use Family Search in the future, so watch for them. Just add the information one family at a time. That way you can do it in small chunks of time. I recommend using the Family Search app or another app because then you can easily use your phone to take pictures of any photos or documents you want to share and add to each family. With it online, you can easily share it with others and they can share with you. As you add information about your family to these apps, you'll start to get hints of other things about your family that Family Search knows about your family. It's just like the old saying about how to eat an elephant, one bite at a time. Ah, Don't worry, elephant. It's just a figure of speech. No elephants were harmed in the making of this video. So just remember to enjoy the discovery and take it one family at a time. Thanks for watching.